In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix iMovie not exporting. So let's get started. Now we're going to be going over many fixes, so just go ahead and follow me through all the fixes and hopefully one of them works out. So the first one is to check your storage. Now iMovie won't export if your device has low space. So if you're using an iPad or an iPhone, to check if you have enough space, go to Settings, General, iPad Storage, and you need at least 2 to 4 GB free, sometimes even more for longer videos. Now if you're on a Mac, just go and click on the Apple logo, go to System Settings. Then here, you're gonna go type in Storage. And here you can see how much space you have left. So for me, I have 15 GB left, so that is good enough, okay? Then we have close iMovie completely and reopen it, okay? So just close all the tabs, or if you're on a Mac, click on Command Q and then reopen it, and hopefully it works. Now you could also try exporting with a lower quality. So go to File, Share, File, and make sure that you use the lower resolution, because sometimes 4K or 180p can fail. So just make sure you try with the lower resolution. Then we have delete or replace the corrupted clip. Now iMovie fails to export if even one clip, photo, effect, or audio file is corrupt. Now what are signs of a corrupted clip? It glitches, it shows black, the audio doesn't load, and it freezes during playback. So try removing the suspicious clip, replace it with a new copy, and try exporting it again. Then we have remove any freeze frames or heavy effects. On iOS especially, freeze frames and certain transitions can cause export errors. So try deleting freeze frame, picture in picture, green screen, very long titles, overlapping audio layers, and then try exporting and hopefully it works. Then we have restart your device. It is simple, but it works often, okay? And for iPad or iPhone, so just hold the power button and then slide to power off and then turn it back on. For Mac, just go here and restart, okay? Then lastly, you can try duplicating the project and see if it exports. To do that, just go back. Here, click on the three dots and click on duplicate and go into your duplicated one and see if it works, because sometimes the project itself is bugged, okay? So yeah, that basically should be it, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.